We begin with the latest from Chinese telecom giant Huawei filing a lawsuit against the United States. Beijing has hired a top team of elite American lawyers to handle the proceedings. But some American analysts say it will be an uphill battle. Huawei said it was compelled to take legal action as a last resort because the U.S. put restrictions on its business but failed to produce any evidence to justify the restrictions. Here's Jim Spellman with more.
This suit was filed in federal court in Texas near Huawei's U.S. headquarters. It claims that Huawei has been unfairly banned from use in United States government networks. The U.S., dating back to the Obama administration, has labeled Huawei a security risk and claims users of Huawei gear could be spied upon by the Chinese government. Huawei has denied this, and the U.S. has not publicly released evidence to support its claims. The ban was passed by Congress as part of a sprawling defense bill known as the NDAA, the National Defense Authorization Act. This lawsuit makes three arguments. It claims the NDAA unfairly singles out Huawei, that the law violates the company's due process rights by stigmatizing Huawei without giving the company a chance to defend itself, and it claims that Congress overstepped its bounds when making the law.
It is effectively adjudicating on its own whether or not Huawei is in fact influenced and subject to the Chinese government, instead of allowing the executive and the courts to make that judgment, as the statute allows for all other companies.
That was Glenn Nager, lead counsel from Jones Day, a U.S.-based law firm hired by Huawei to fight this case. The suit could force the U.S. to reveal evidence to back up its claims about Huawei, could also force Huawei to reveal more about its equipment and relationship to the Chinese government. Huawei executives say they welcome oversight.
And at Huawei, we are very proud that we are the most open, most transparent organization in the world. And we allow our customers and their professional teams to come and audit and inspect and review everything that we do. And as one government put it to Huawei, we are probably the most strictest regime they have ever come across. We see that as a positive thing, not a negative thing. We are proud that we provide our most precious intellectual capital for people to come and inspect.
And the company points out that none of the recent high-profile security breaches at companies like Target, eBay, or Equifax involved Huawei hardware.